Hello everybody, it is Wendy and today I am here with something a little bit different. I have been contacted by Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club and I asked if I would like to unbox their clubs. So this is the coolest thing. I've worked with them before and I really like their products. So let me just describe this to you. So they have a bunch of different clubs. So you can get on their website. It is adornableelements.com, I believe. Let me look. Yes, I'm sorry. adornableelements.com//current clubs. You can get on there. I will have a link in the description box below. But it lists all these clubs, and they have a ton of clubs. So you can sign up for as many as you want or as few as you want. So current clubs, new, are their Gemstone Beads of the Month clubs. They have 11O Delicas of the Month clubs, 11O Seed Beads of the Month clubs, 2-Hole Beads of the Month clubs, Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month club, Fire Polish Beads of the Month club, and Rotating Beads of the Month clubs. And then they have a Findings Companion Pack you can sign up for. And they have Bead a Lot, which I'm not sure what that is, and patterns. And more products coming soon. So this is really exciting. So I do not do a lot of bead weaving. I love to do bead weaving. I just don't really have the time to do bead weaving. So talking with my connection there, I had said, well, maybe the gemstone or the hot and trendy. And she said hot and trendy probably wouldn't be good for me if I didn't do a lot of bead weaving. So I'm taking it that that's probably some seed beads and stuff. So she is signing me up to rotate on the Gemstone Beads of the Month clubs and the Fire Polish Beads of the Month clubs. So I'm so excited. And I'm going to be doing a tutorial, but this came in the mail. So I'm going to unbox it here. And, I also have a coupon code. It is Wendy10. That will get you 10% off of your first box of as many clubs as you want to sign up for. So if you wanted to sign up for one club, or if you wanted to sign up for all the clubs, you can get 10% off of the first month of every one of the clubs if you sign up for all of them. So I thought that was really interesting. It is Wendy10, and again, I will link that in the description box below. If you use my code, they will sign you up as the same club as me. So you would get whatever one I'm getting that month, and then from then on out, the same one that I'm getting, but it could be a different color. So, you might get a different color set than I would get. Also, when you subscribe, you get a free pattern page. It's exclusive for subscribers, and it changes every month. So that's really cool too. So anyway, and I will be doing a tutorial out of what we've got today, but I'm excited. So I'm going to go ahead, and I think too that if you didn't want to be on the same club as me, or obviously if you sign up for different clubs, you won't get what I get. But if you sign up for using my code for the same clubs as me, then you'll get the same things that I'm getting every month. Okay? Okay, all right. So our encouraging word for today. I just pulled this one out randomly, and I thought it was really funny because it matches this bubble wrapper. Enjoy the little things in life. So there you go. That's an encouraging word. Okay, so it comes in this nice little purple bubble mailer. We're going to open this up. And the first thing I see is this findings pack. So this is nice. This is usually really good. Yeah, Tiara Cast White Bronze Assortment. Wow. Let's take a look. So this is a retail value of $16.31. And the discount that you get, I guess, when you purchase this is 20.6%. So that's really good. So first off, I see we have some little hammered earring findings. These are posts. I like posts really well. I'm not so much into fish hooks as I used to be because I keep losing them. When we go out on the motorcycle, every time I pull my helmet off, I lose my earring. We have some cones here, and I'm sorry, I have patina paint on my hands. I have tried to get it off, and it won't come off. And we have some really long, which are nice, eye pins. Okay, so hammer tone earring posts with backs, hammer tone tall cone, that's these, and our head pins. These are 21 gauge and are 2 inches. This is white bronze. This is really cool. All right, let's move these. And then we have 2 toggle clasps. These are nice. So these are the hammer tone makers clasps. There they are. Oh, they are hammer tone. Okay. Oh, they are. Okay. I was like, I don't see the hammer tone, but yes, it is there, along with the patina paint on my hand. All right, hammer tone. Okay, those are really pretty. And then we have oval jump rings. I love oval jump rings. Oh my goodness. These are 17 gauge, which is really nice too. 5 by 3.5 millimeter. Very nice. And then we have hammer tone stitch in links. So these are, if you are doing bead weaving, you can stitch this in your project, but I can use this in stringing too. So you watch, we'll come up with something cool with those. But this is really nice findings pack. I love getting findings, so really, really cool. So I'm going to put this all back in here so I don't misplace things. My desk is a mess right now. Y'all just can't see it, but it is. It's a disaster. I'm going to stop and clean things up. I've been making videos all day today. Alrighty, so that is really nice. Now let's see what we've got. So, ooh, this must be the gemstone of the month club. Double gemstone beads of the month club. Yellow turquoise jasper. Ooh, wow. Okay, so double, I think means this is double the quantity, and you would get half of this if you sign up for just the regular, I think. Let me see this. So you can click on each of these on their website and look, and so that's what you guys need to do. Just make sure that you understand it. So yeah, I don't want to mislead anybody. I'm trying to, yeah, that's what it looks like. So this is beautiful yellow jasper, and I think probably yellow turquoise jasper. Oh, I'm going to do some monochromatic stuff with this. Oh, these are beautiful. So, yes. Oh, look how pretty this is together. Wow. Okay, so we have rondelles. We have 5 by 8 millimeter rondelles, 48 of them. $14.50 value. Oh, look how beautiful these are. So you've got your darker shades and your lighter. They're all different. They're all unique. That's what I love about gemstones. Look how pretty. This one is like polka dotted. Look at him. He's so cute. Let me see if I can put him up here. He's adorable. He's like polka dotted. Look at that. So yes, these are just beautiful. Yellow turquoise jasper. And all different shades. Look at this one. It's like whiter. It has a lot of light. Beautiful. Okay. I have an idea that I'm going to use those findings for, those sew-in findings. Let's see if I can get all these back in here, because if I don't, I will lose them on this mess of a desk. I shouldn't have dumped out quite so many. Okay, there we go. All right. Then we have rice beads. That must be these. 7 by 14 millimeter. These are cool. Look at these. These are $8 value. Wow. I love the different shades, this dark and light. They're so pretty. Whoops. Those are really nice. Rice beads. Then we have cushion, 8 millimeter. This one is a $7.50 value. I think that's these, right? 06. No. Cushion is 03. That's these. Sorry. These are pretty. Look at this cool shape. So that's a cushion. It's not really a bicone and not really a rondelle. It's sort of in between, or not really a cube. It's kind of a cube. Really, really cool. So, so pretty. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. We're going to have fun with this. Okay, those are cushions. Then we have coins, 10 millimeter coins for an $8 value. That would be these coins. Oh, this is going to be fun because I will pull out, there we go. I will pull out some other beads to put with these in a monochromatic kind of thing, I think. And I think that will be really fun. So like some more of these yellows or some more of these darker greens and something, and just make a monochromatic. Some jewelry would be really fun to do, just a monochromatic thing. There's one in there I wanted you to see. There you go. He's kind of fat. He doesn't want to come out. There he is. Look at this one. How pretty that is. Goodness. Okay. These are gorgeous. And then we have rondelles, 4x6 millimeter. So we had some 5x8 rondelles up there. Oh, I showed you the wrong one for the 5x8s too. 5x8s were these. These are the 4x6. How nice that they give you two sizes. So here we have our 5x8 rondelles. So, so pretty. Wow, look at that. Oh, I can't wait to work with this. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay. And last but not least, we have rectangles, 10 by 14 millimeter. These are the ones I thought were cushion beads. Oh, come on out of there. Come on out. I need to do this. I need to do this off camera, but I don't want to take the little sticker off because then I might, I don't know. But anyway, here they are, rectangle. Oh, they're pretty. So beautiful. Wow, look at that. And they're all different. They're all unique. They all have different markings. I love gemstone beads so much. So these are stunningly beautiful. What a great, great box. Says it's a $57 value and you save $7.05 when you subscribe, or just by being a subscriber. So wow, these are going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do some pretty jewelry pieces out of these, and I do have an idea for those little connectors. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Clubs. I will put a link in the description box below this video, and like I said, at coupon Wendy10 will get you 10% off of the first box of as many clubs as you want to sign up for. So check them out. What a great deal. So I don't know what we'll get next month, if it'll be gemstones again or fire polish, but I'm really excited to see. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.